Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves, and I am here with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. What I want to talk about today is video. Video is so important. I saw a statistic yesterday that by 2019, 80% of all content consumed will be done on video. I know I have a 20-year-old and an 18-year-old, and that's what they do. YouTube. That's constant. YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. The stuff that my kids learn, and I'm like, how did you find that out? Oh, it was on YouTube. So really think about that. Whether you're marketing to millennials or not, that is the wave. That's where we're going, is video. So I want to make sure that you have a plan in place to start incorporating video into your marketing. If you're writing a blog, do a video about it as well. Get that up on YouTube. Share that video on Facebook. Share that video on Twitter. You always want to put them out on as many outlets as you can. So I encourage you to start today, maybe do an editorial calendar for your year of video that you can do. You start slowly, but I really, really encourage you. It's going to be really important to stand out in the crowd, to get your name out there, to get more visible is by using video. And I'd like to invite you if you haven't done it yet, to join the PR Challenge, where we talk about things that get you more visible. And it's 10 minutes a day for 10 days. People are having incredible success. Imagine what it would do for your business if you were featured in the Wall Street Journal. We had somebody from the challenge who was, not to mention many other success stories. So yourprchallenge.com, and I will be back next Friday with more Get Famous PR tips. I'll see you then.